Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kamar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our previous video, we explored about Hasta Padasana, extended hands and feet pose. In today's session, let's delve into Parsva Hasta Padasana, side hands and feet pose. I'll provide the details on the pose's shape, how to get into it, what to focus during the pose, how to gracefully exit from the pose, and the benefits it offers. We'll practice together. Grab your mat and let's begin. Ready? Today's pose is Parsva Hasta Padasana, side hands and feet pose. It is a standing pose where one foot is turned in, one leg is turned out, the legs are straight and the arms are extended outward to the sides at shoulder level. The trunk extends up, the chest is broad, the neck extends up while the gaze is forward. Parsva Hasta Padasana, start with mountain pose. Big toes, inner heels are touching, legs straight, arms by your side. Then bend your knees, bring your hands in front of your chest. Exhale. Jump or step your feet wide apart. Trunk extended, arm reaching. Then turn your left foot in, turn your right leg all the way out. Trunk extended, arms reaching. Okay, again before we go further, let me show you again. See that here, when I turn my left foot in, when I say turn your left foot in, I just turn my foot slightly in, not the whole leg, only foot turn in. Then as I turn my right leg out, I turn my whole right leg out, turn my thigh out, so knees align with the center of the right thigh. Okay. Then one more way I want to show you, we just turn our whole leg out. Sometime to get it, the alignment of your back foot and front foot, do some steps with our right leg to understand that. So you just turn your right foot at 45, then press into your toe mounts and lift your heels up, then swivel your heel out as you turn your feet completely at 90 and then slowly straighten your leg. Okay, so here you see that the alignment, your right heel is aligned with your left foot in a step. Press into your outer left heel down. Press down through the right big toe mount. Tighten the kneecap, lift up through the front thighs. And see, you turn your whole leg so your knees align with your right foot and center of your right thigh. Top of your left thigh back, top of your buttocks descend down as you extend the sides of your waist. Trunk extended up, arms reaching, and turn the right side of the abdomen towards the left. So your trunk is parallel to the front wall. Outer shoulder blades in, top of your shoulder down, neck lengthens, gaze is forward. Then turn your feet to the parallel, and this is the both sides pose, so we will repeat on another side. Trunk extended, arm reaching. Then turn your right foot in, turn your left leg all the way out. Both legs are straight. Look at the alignment. Left heel is aligned with right foot in a step. Press into your outer right heel. Press the left big toe mount down. Tighten the kneecaps. Lift up through the front thighs. Bring the top of your right thigh back. Buttocks descend down. Extend the sides of your waist up. Trunk extended up. Arm reaching. Turn the left side of the abdomen towards the right. So trunk is parallel to the front wall. Chest broadened, reach through your fingertips, outer shoulder blades in, top of your shoulders down. Neck lengthens. Look in front at your eye level. Then to come out, turn your feet to the parallel, bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. Benefits of Parsva Hasta Padasana are often overlooked as it is considered an intermediary pose rarely practiced independently in yoga classes. Nevertheless, its significance lies in aiding practitioners to determine the alignment between their front and back foot in the standing postures. This asana offers valuable benefits including grounding, alignment awareness, body engagement, chest opening, leg strengthening, and the cultivation of a solid foundation for various standing poses. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a better alignment through yoga. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and ringing the notification bell to stay informed about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear from you. Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.